In this video I want to present you the new released camera from VIOFO, A190M Pro. This is a 4K camera. Also I will compare it with the old one. I think this one will replace this one. This is A119 Mini 2. This is only 2K camera. This one is the newer one, it's more performant, higher quality image and so on. Also we will compare it with the professional one, A229 Pro 2 channel. Is the current setup that I have here on my car, mounted with interior camera, and extra you can order a rear view camera for this system. Of course, if you want to order in the same time with your camera stick, memory stick, not a memory stick, it's a memory card. Here I have a 64 gig card for this camera. It's a high endurance, high speed, special made for these cameras. Also, you can order an extra as an option, a wireless Bluetooth remote control. The wireless Bluetooth remote control can be used, can be glued in different areas inside of your car. You see I have one here. If you want to have quick access to save videos in case someone will jump in front of your car, or you saw an accident or something interesting and you think this is too far from you to push this button from here, then you can use this remote control. You can stick it wherever you like. And also, if you want to permanently mount this camera on your car, you'll have the option to order a special made dash cam hardware cable. This one is HK6. I think this one is the longest one. They have a shorter one that is this one is 4 meters, 13 feet. I think they have a longer one, I'm not sure, but they have two options. So if you want to mount this camera permanently on your car, you can order this cable. Before we go further, I want to let you know that I'm not paid for this type of videos. Even so, VIOFO sent me for free this camera and the other ones along the years. I'm working with VIOFO for a couple of years for this type of videos, and also I'm working with VIOFO cameras long before they started to send me cameras to show them to you. I mounted on vehicles along the years, different BMWs, different models of VIOFO, and I don't remember having ones with problems. And even if you will have a problem with the camera, I'm pretty sure they will replace the camera without any complaint and discussion. So yeah, I would love to be paid for this promotion, for these videos, but when you are paid for a promotional video, they will ask you what they want you to say, and sometimes they will want me to say something that I don't like, and I don't want to lie to someone. I don't want to lie to you, because I think you are watching these videos and you are here because you trust me. So I want the best for you. Either way, I had these cameras mounted on my personal vehicles, my cars, for many years. Even now I have on this X3 the Pro version with 3 cameras, and I had this car in Indiana, and Indiana the winters are cold. This car was parked outside. I don't have nothing to complain with. Now I'm in Central Florida. The summer here, it's crazy. The temperatures are melting you inside out, and this car the same, was parked outside. Camera worked flawlessly. Even so, these cameras, the VIOFO cameras, especially the new generation, the new ones, they have absolutely everything you need from a dash cam. They have Wi-Fi connection, they have a nice app for you to use, they have GPS tracking, voice activation, advanced parking, everything you need from a camera. The only thing that probably you will take in consideration will be the shape of the camera. Maybe you don't like the shape, maybe you don't like the name, then you can go and search for a different manufacturer, but it's nothing else you can need. If it was something that you won't find on these cameras and you will find on different ones, then yeah, you will probably have some doubts. But with these cameras, they have absolutely everything you will need in them. Either so, it's a dash cam, it's not a camera to film movies, cinematic scenes, or things like that. This is something for you to be protected in case of an accident, for you to save an accident if you see an accident and you want to post it and so on. Yeah, so I think we are clear, we are on the same page here, and enough with me talking, let's dive in. So inside of the box we have an iPhone style box. First thing is the camera itself. So small. This is the GPS module that will be stick on the windshield, will be glued on the windshield, and to remove it, to remove the camera, you will slide it and you can take the camera with you. Also, the old one has the same shape. This is the old one, this is the new one. They are actually identical. This one has the filter mounted, but in rest, the new one has some vents down here, probably because being a higher resolution, it's getting warmer, and the vents here are different shape. But in rest, we have the same layout of the buttons, everything is identical. Next step inside of the box, here on the bottom we have a special pry tool to remove ornaments. It's a nice thing to have. Another thing, it's the USB-C cable to USB-A for transferring information from the camera to your PC, to your laptop. Nice thing that I love now, a filter, it's included in the package. This filter will be mounted on the camera. It's identical with this one to avoid glares in your windshield. Another thing that we will use today is the cable with the adapter for you to be able to use this camera out of the box. So this will go here, this will go in your cigarette lighter inside of your car, and this and the USB-C will go directly on the camera. Also in the box we have an extra sticker for you in case you will mess up the first one or you will change your vehicle. Another thing you have here, need after sale help, this will help you. A nice informational booklet. Next thing is the VIOFO quick start guide. I recommend you to read it. It's very informative, very educational. Everything you need is here. VIOFO dash cam. Thank you for purchasing the VIOFO cam. And also you have a sticker that I don't know where you can mount this. If you have a van or a work car, you can stick this on your side of the car. I don't think you will stick this on your BMW. You also will have inside of the box the user manual. I recommend you to read it. It's very, very educational and informative, and two anti-static stickers to mount them on your windshield, and on them you will mount the camera. So now I will try to mount both cameras, the old one and the new one, on the windshield. Probably I will put them here for this video. So first thing, I will remove the protective film from the lens of the new camera, like that. Then the protective film from inside of the filter. Doesn't matter which way you will mount the filter, important is to be mounted like that. Now we have the filter on this camera. The old one already has the filter. I will clean with a rag my windshield on the inside. So you'll have here on the anti-static film two sides. This one says please peel off this mask before application, and this one it's after application. So we will remove this part. I will make sure I won't touch the film. I will mount it on the windshield like that, and there is a small bubble, but you have two in your kit, but you can even work out the bubbles from the film. And after that you will remove the second side like that, and now you remove the sticky side. But before you do that, I recommend you to power up the camera with the cable. Pull out this and I will connect it here. This end will go here like that. We will switch on the ignition to wake up the camera.
Please insert the memory card.
Please insert the memory card first. Okay. Next step is to insert the memory card. You can hear the camera beeping. It's always reminding you that you don't have the card installed. So with the memory card out, we will install it like this. Turn on the camera.
Recording started.
And the recording is started. Now with the camera on, you can see the image, and you will need to align the camera in such a way that the image will be, the screen will be perfectly aligned with your car. So you can see on the screen, if you mount it in different positions, you can clearly see where to align it. So I will align it with my engine hood, something like this, I think. Now I remove the sticker. I will make sure the camera is aligned, and I will stick it on the windshield, something like that. I'll do the same thing with the second one, but on this one I will need the second sticker because this one was mounted once on the car. I'll try to align the sticker. I'll start from the middle and I'll go out like that. Also I will install a card in the old one like this. I will take from the old one the cable. Nice thing is that the power adapter is double, so I think I can connect the second camera in the same spot. So at this moment I will do the same step. So at this time the same, I will do same alignment and I will try to mount it, you know, in the same place like that. So I noticed that the film, the transparent film, the anti-static film will create a halo effect. I don't know what it's called on the image. So that won't be a fair drive test, a fair image quality. So I'll remove that and re-glue the GPS base directly on the windshield like the other one. So now I will set up the resolution to the max resolution on both cameras. So this one is the 4K one, this one is the 2K one, and this one also it's set up to 4K. Normally I don't use it, I don't keep it on 4K, I keep it on lower resolution, but for this test, for this comparison, I will set this camera also on 4K. And this was all. I hope you enjoyed the ride with me. If you like this camera and you will buy one, please let me know. If you had one and you still have one the same, let me know in the comment section down below. Especially if you have one and you had a problem with this type of cameras, please let me know in the comment section down below. With this, I will end this video here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye now.